sold 4matic plasma. I got some mobile one. I got 2 of these because I need 7.4 quarts. And you know, the big 740 European. Got my jack. Probably got that from Harbor Freight. Got a little flashlight just for the video. Got this too, Majigga. Got this. I don't need these, but what I end up needing is this and a couple of these bad boys out here. Drip pan. You know, another thing I did though was use jack from back here. You can't go on this. I'm gonna put the jack in. I'm gonna get the jack from this bag. You can't go on this. Deep, ready. So what I've done here was position this so when it goes up, it's gonna go right. It's gonna go right up in here. Right there. I'm gonna put this piece on here. So this is how it. So another thing you definitely need is a flathead screwdriver. What you need to do, go right here, because this thing is still coming down. No, it's not supposed to come down. That's better. Y'all hear that thing coming down? So what I'm doing now is, I'm not even showing the camera. Alright, that's good. Crawling my way to the back of the vehicle. And now what I do suggest is, start from the back. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little intimidated by this work, just like people are intimidated by me doing this work. That's just a confession, but because of that, I'm just like a little street mechanic again. As a little street mechanic, makes me nervous. So this don't fit just too big. You know, it makes me nervous, but I get it done. And one day soon, oh, this too small. One day soon, like I said, what I'm doing is just trial and error with these two. I mean, these things, what I should have did was did this beforehand. That's too small. This gonna be too big, it looks like, but we're gonna see. Oh man, pieces falling. It's not good. No bueno. Yeah. Fuck, I knew it was gonna be too big. What's going on, Alicia? I should have gave myself a little more space. So I felt a little more secure under here. That's too small. This is what you'll usually do, just put it on there, but I can't fit my hand through there. So I gotta try and error with these different pieces. What the fudge? This is too big. 1132. So, bruh, what in the world? Something ain't right. That's too big. I mean, too small. Something right. Something right. Something right. Something right. Something right. Something right. Alright. Yes, I was tripping, dog. Did y'all see that? That's because I'm nervous under this bitch. I had the 1132 in my hand, so yeah, this is 1132. It's the back here. Yeah. This one. And there's another one. Oh my goodness, what did I say? Oh my goodness, that one is it. So I took that out. I just thought some rolling towards me. I thought it was a bug or something. I see a spider up on this bitch. Oh, I'm gonna be dead. So I'm gonna be people there. Take this. What's the heel? It's like, no. I got a problem. Another problem on top of a problem. But yeah, so next one we take out will be under there. See, it's through there, and this crotch part you gotta reach through there. So that's why I need this extension piece, and it's stuck on here, but I'm gonna fix it. You work it. Well, fixing my oil. I would. I said change and fix my oil, but I mean fixing my oil.
You not change the oil? And it made me feel less of the leg. Oh, not change it.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
I've always said fuck it. Because I would tell you, like, growing up, I was raised by women, yes. But the male role models I had in my life, they always worked in the industry.
Right.
So that's why I was at the work mindset for. But then at the same time, everything we did is different.
Yeah, back.
Shit, that's what's up, though. I said, what you don't know?
I appreciate it. Oh well, this is what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta see if these two gon' work. Get that cast playing. Gotta do what I gotta do. Except right there that whole time fighting with that thing because it was too small. Because it was so small. It's too big. It's too wide. He won't fit because he's too small. He want a leg. He need a big. He should. Oh, I need another one. I got another one. Got to get another one stuck in there. Because this would have been came all the way off. I'm trying to get this side off. But I got another screw over here. I got another screw over here. Just why it won't. I got another screw over here. Oh, that's not gonna work. Whoa, I be turning it the wrong way. What's wrong with me? Right tighty, lefty loosey. What's wrong with me today? I be tripping me. I be tripping me. I be tripping like a flipping. I be going in and dipping in ice cream. Cause it tastes good and it likes me. Like it makes me so freaking happy. And I'm like, wait, no, don't be Jackson. Okay, I need to get back in and look at it, don't it? I need to get back and look at it because I can't see. At the end of that, I can't see. Oh, bitch. Ouch, that bitch smacked me. Man, all type of this in that brown. Oh my goodness. All for my Benny though. Now I gotta get to my pan here. Yeah. How about I tell you this way? Nope. It just won't work. I need me a cameraman. That being said, I'm gonna be the drip pan, y'all. I'm gonna flip this bad boy this way. And I feel like it's very satisfying to see it go drip drip. So yeah, we'll do that. Now I gotta find the white. This to go on here. That's too damn small. I ain't even gonna drape myself. So this one goes in the back. And, it's too small, too small. So this is a 12 I think the other day when I looked at it, it was a 12. Oh, no, I'm wrong. And as you can see, this is so much oily because it's too much oil in there. Yeah, it's bad. I'm gonna have to wash this real good. Real good. 12, no. 14. Yep, perfect. So, snapping it. Yeah. So I can come off there. Let me get my bag ready. So my bucket size don't fit the ain't enough for this. And I did hand tighten this, and what I do suggest is, oh goodness, I gotta twist it the other way maybe. Always like you might tap it with a hammer and it'll go for you, but mine ain't that tight. I made it loose. Happy I did because I made a mistake. So this time maybe I would actually make it tight enough to do something with. It's gonna shoot out, so make sure you get this, catch this end first if you're trying to do my little method. When you mess up. You done messed up. Oh man, I'm tripping. For this stuff to go everywhere. Oh, and it did. And it still did. Oh, I got a mess. I have a real big mess. Oh man. Oh man. I gotta sit here until it's done. But that bucket wasn't big enough to carry these 10 gallons. Y'all should have known better. It should have been common sense. Like Lisa, the last one didn't fit that. Why would this need to fit that? You know? Big old mess. No gloves, but you know, I be living my best life. And I'm just let the pen catch the last little bit of it. And it's right here. Girl, I got oil all up my arm. Somehow this oil smells good to me though. No, don't drip on my car. On my iPad, I mean, or whatever. Don't drip on none of my stuff. This is a lot of oil, y'all. And it was leaking so bad. It's gonna get to my iPad. That's it. I'm done. I'm done for, man. Oh, I'm not even paying attention. I'm tripping. It's getting worse. So what's the